As SARS stands out as an innovative and modern institution, SARS is constantly enhancing the eFiling platform. This year, SARS have added a new express functionality for your convenience to the income tax return. This aligns with SARS strategic objectives to provide modern digital systems that streamline services, enabling clarity and certainty. This approach simplifies compliance for taxpayers and traders in fulfilling their tax obligations. Once you logged into your eFiling profile, you will notice the new Express tabs. These new functions will include Auto Assessment 2025, submitting previous years, submit the current year, and updating your personal bank details. For more information on the new functions on eFiling, please visit our website and subscribe to our SARS TV channel on YouTube for a range of instructional videos and awareness content to assist you with your tax journey. SARS, at your service.